pipe has to go up the hole or it doesn't go up the hole.
Well, I didn't know that. Yeah.
Otherwise it comes back into the room. Plus you got to point this in the direction that we want. Why are you moving it? Every time you move it, you change the pipe location, Fred. Okay.
I'm glad these people don't remember back when you were...
Oh, they're picking on me. He's picking on me. Oh.
I don't remember back when you were freaking trying to heat oil.
Hey, we have a heater. I still have, whoa, it's hot. It's got a lot of air blowing out of there.
It wasn't hot, it's cold.
Well, I thought it was hot. It feels hotter now. When it quits blowing, it feels hotter. How come, Fred?
I think this is going to be...
Why does it feel hotter when the air quits blowing? It's still blowing though. It's on low speed.
Put it on.
What's that?
Well, I'm trying to figure out this.
What's up with this floor down here? This floor is not very stable. There we go.
So...
What's HH mean? Hot, hot? Fred, did you read the instructions?
64.
Is this battery going to charge up for the power supply?
Why would I read instructions when I could just start pushing buttons like you?
Yeah, that's right. That's how we do it around here.
Just like start pushing buttons.
It's got a thermometer right here to tell you how it works. Okay, Fred's going to...
This is cool because it's showing hot air in and cold air out.
Fred is showing how the cold air system works. There we go.
Currently blowing cold air.
It is blowing cold air. I will vouch for the fact that it's blowing cold air. I don't smell the heater yet though, so that's a good sign. It always makes it. Until the heat goes up, it just fumigates in the building.
We have that other controller. Where's the other controller?
You got another controller? How many controllers do you need?
I need one.
What about all this stuff?
Ooh, I hit max and it looks like it's...
Max. Okay, this is for 12 volt application, DC battery.
This sounds like something's going to happen here.
I don't know what this does though. It's making noise. It's starting to work. It's just like the other heater. It makes noise first. So this is for the battery, if you hook it to a battery. Which would be right down there.
This cord is an extension
your battery.
off of your controller if you wanted to have the controller.
Because this one only works with the battery, it doesn't work with 120 volt. Okay, here it going. Get that pop, pop, pop noise. That means it's coming on. It's kick-starting the motor in there. The little monkey in there is getting kicked right now. Get it going.
Can't talk about monkeys anymore.
The Gerbil's getting kicked. Was it a hamster? Hamster, that's what it's, hamsters. The hamster on the wheel is now spinning.
Monkey means anymore.
What'd you just do?
I just put this away.
What was that big pop noise? You're trying to make it sound like the motor blew up. What was wrong with that on there? What, that's supposed to show something?
Yeah, so you can see what the damn temperature is. It was just the safety of it.
Oh, this doesn't have the temperature in the front where you can see it? Oh. What's this hand one do?
Same thing. You can see where it's at.
What's that H9? What's that mean?
Heat 9.
Where's 10? Can we go to 10?
Heat 10. Look, heat 10. It tells me that.
Still got no heat yet. You know what I found out with the other one? When you put this thing on it, it cuts the airflow by like 80%.
It reduces the airflow?
Yeah. The heat really drops down. So we just leave it open. Plus it takes up less space. But if you stick your hand in there, you might burn yourself. But I don't know because the other one doesn't have an open hole like this. Okay, now it's starting to smell. See it stinking? Smell it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because it's backflowing right now. It's not evacuating. So we have a heater right there. So it does smell out here though, so I know it's coming outside.
Ooh, sounds like a jet engine taking off.
It does.
This is now getting hot now.
Start to warm up.
We're starting to get hot.
You got the finger test on it? Fred, what's the finger test? Finger test got hot. It's making heat. Yeah, it does sound like a jet engine. This gets hot too. And you notice how the smell went away? It's now going out the pipe.
Really
The heat is now going up through the chimney stack there. There we go. I still don't feel the heat hitting me yet.
It is getting warm. And this, look, it's heating the pipe up. We got smoke coming off the pipe.
Yeah, I don't see the smoke, Fred.
That's getting hot.
Getting warm.
No, you can't fix stupid.
It got hot finally.
No, I told you that. I said that's hot, Tatro, and then you go touch it.
Well, I held on to it, then you start moving, then it got hot. You had to get the heat through the cold fingers.
You can't fix a 3647, right?
That's right. I'm starting to get a little heat out of this front of this thing now.
Get a lot of heat out of this.
Yeah, I can barely feel it over here.
This is.
Look at the airflow. He's burning. He's moving his flywheel. Look at that. Look at that thing blowing back and forth. That's a 20-pound flywheel wagging around.
You know, this beats the hell out of burning
old tires.
Motorcycle oil.
I think it was car oil we're using.
In a giant vat that just took up a lot of space and was killing us.
Yeah.
Sending big plumes of black smoke.
So you think this is an improvement over my heater I made 10 years ago?
I don't think we videoed those back then, did we?
Oh yeah, that was on video. Just all you gotta do is go look up Tatro heater.
We should do a comparison. This heater against the.
Remember we cooked pizza on it, and we also had tortillas on
We
it.
never got it. Well,
We put cold pizza on it, warmed it up. We also had tortillas on it.
no, that was the oven.
We did it on top of the damn other thing too.
Yeah, that's it.
And someone brought something else too that was stuck on there. It was actually some kind of a dinner. they
The
brought.
tortillas we got buttered for $5 next door.
$5. I know they're like $2. Inflation. Okay, I'm feeling some heat. Okay, so we're going to see what the temperature is in here right now. So right now, temperature in here is 62 and a half degrees, and it's 5 to 4. So we're going to let it run for about a half hour, or until it runs out of fuel. Because how many ounces of fuel did you put in there, Fred?
You put a half of a half. That's 1 gallon, a half of 1 gallon.
I put about half of a splash in there. There wasn't much in there. No, but this one down here is full. We'll just dump it out.
Get that out of there.
We're going to have to dump that out of that one and put in this one.
So you ran that off a battery?
Yeah. 12 volt.
So this will run. This is kind of cool because it's a. That's
See, Fred? Car battery.
Right.
See these heavy duty terminal connectors I was using?
Right. So this one's cool. You can drive off of AC.
So this one you can do on a car, or you can do it inside your shop.
Or you just hook up this.
Yeah, this is for car, or 12 volt power. That's all you got. And this is right now we're on house electricity or shop electricity now.
Did they send you this for free?
Yes, it's a test. What do you think, Fred?
I think I need one.
It's starting to get some heat coming out.
I can take this with me.
There's one right down there, but I might need that. That's the one I use in the mountains, because we don't have electricity in the mountains, but we have batteries.
You have dead batteries.
No, I got batteries up there. It has a different smell, but I think it's because it's brand new.
This is nice. I like this.
It's about the same noise.
And all this is an extend. You can extend this out if you were like going to put it on the wall somewhere.
Oh, it has a remote.
And you have the remote. So if you wanted to take this, put this here, and extend it out, like you put it here. And
There you go.
it's probably about 5-7 feet when you open it up.
No. So what's that one hooked to?
Huh?
That's for the.
This plugs. You unplug this.
That's for the unremote remote.
right.
So you have a hard remote extender, and you got a real remote. What's the other remote do?
The other remote's just
What's that one do?
same thing. You can lower it and increase or lower the heat.
Okay. What's the temperature right now?
This will slow.
Oh, look
it
at it's
down.
activated it. It activated it. See? It's working.
That just slows it down.
Crank it up all the way. Where's the temperature at? The other one has a temperature on it. Fred, don't leave this in front of here. It gets hot. Where's the temperature?
I was trying to get it to this.
It is getting hot. You hold your hand here, it starts burning you.
Yes.
My hand's starting to get hot. It's going to start burning the hair off. This thing's making some heat. I think this has a bigger heater than the other one. So where's the temperature at though?
I don't know.
Doesn't tell you. See, it doesn't tell you the temperature. It only has a temperature with a remote on it, or not a remote, but a automatic on-off thing.
Well, no, it's going to be automatic on and off based on this.
Based on whichever.
This is, yeah.
Well, where's the temperature at though?
Dude, I don't know.
There's no temperature, Fred.
Read the instructions.
Read the
One
instructions.
time.
Darn, he wants me to read. Does he know we can't read around here? I don't understand this stuff. Now this is all extra stuff we don't need here. So. I don't know why you need a muffler. I have no idea why you need a muffler. It's not even a muffler, it's just a tin can. There's nothing in it.
Oh, these are legs that go on the bottom.
Oh, here's some feet. Oh, we had some feet. Fred, we could have put the feet on there. Oh well.
I feel defeated. I really feel defeated right now.
There you go. Here's some of this stuff here. Look at this. It's pictures and everything telling you what to do, Fred.
Temperature sensor, display screen, power switch.
This is in English too.
Well, it's in English and other.
I don't know what all these arrows mean. I don't know what all these arrows mean. I got confused already. Here's a picture of a clock. So we got a clock there. Look at all these numbers up here. These like temperatures.
Yeah.
Well, you got clock. You got altitude. Display altitude. What's all these altitude things? I don't know what that is. Is that like temperature control? Is that foreign language type stuff? Power on, off. There's no thermometer here. Doesn't say anything about thermometer. There's a hoist. A hoist. It's almost like a hoist. Hoist is up here. See, that goes up and down, holds bikes up in air. That's a hoist. This is a host. I don't know what a host is. They're going to host something.
You know how to read?
No, I can't read. I passed school.
Can't fix.
Can't fix what?
Nothing. Why didn't we put the legs on?
Fred, you didn't put the feet on.
I feel defeated, man.
No, I put the legs on. You just didn't put the feet on. It says 2 seconds to turn on. Did it take 2 seconds to turn on? Uh-oh. We got cold air, Fred. What happened?
It reached its temperature.
Did we run out of go juice already?
No, it's still hot.
Well, it's hot right here. How come it got cold over here? It's cold right here, Fred. It's cold right here, Fred. You should blow cold air right here. What happened to hot air between here and there?
I don't think it was ever hot over there.
There's no hot air over here where I'm standing right now.
I don't know what to tell
But the thermometer's gone up half a degree, Fred. Because the air is blowing through here. So it's half a degree hotter.
We have an engine in the way of getting over there.
It's a half a degree warmer right here, Fred. Or over there next to the cold wall. So it is making some temperature. Now there's heat right here. At least until we run out of heat.
Don't touch that pipe.
Don't touch that pipe. Now if you put a fan on that pipe, it will actually make heat. I was going to do that.
Really?
Yeah, I was going to do that.
Okay, Captain Obvious.
Except the problem was, I don't have a fan that goes slow enough to matter because those things go too fast.
Captain, why don't you make some more coils?
I tried that, but then I'd uncoil it, get enough height to get up there to get the exhaust out, because it started stinking in here with exhaust inside the building.
I'm telling you, man.
And after about an hour and a half, 3 hours, you start to notice in your head a little bit.
All right.
There is heat right here, Fred. But over here, and there's no heat right here. There's cold over here. Now I feel a lot of cold coming from this direction.
Yeah, but it's starting to get warm in the overall.
There's a lot of cold coming from this side of the building over here. There seems to be warmer on this side over here. Don't look at my bike. What are you doing? Okay, we're going to come back here in a little bit and see what's going on.
All right.